Leet code 33, search and rotated sorted array. There is an integer array nums sorted in ascending order with distinct values. Prior to being passed to your function nums, it's possibly rotated at an unknown pivot index k, such that the resulting array nums k plus 1 to nums minus 1 dot 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 0 index, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, might be rotated at pivot 3 and become 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2. Given the array nums after the possible rotation and an integer target. So the array gets shifted, and now return the index of target if it is in nums, or minus 1 if it's not in nums. You must write an algorithm with 0 log in runtime. So this would probably work if we used index of, but index of runs in time, not login. Let's just find out. Yeah, I mean it still passes, but that's not in login. So I think they want a binary search. Right equal nums.length. And for that you need a left and a right. And while left is less than or equal to right, we have a midpoint, which is going to be left plus right divided by 2. And then we can check if nums mid is equal to target. We can return mid. Otherwise, if nums left is less than nums of mid, then if nums left is less than equal to target, and target less than nums mid, it's going to be right equals mid minus 1. So we move the right in by half, because mid wasn't the answer, so we do minus 1 and not include it. Else left is going to be equal to mid plus 1. Otherwise, if nums left is greater than the target. Okay, and then if nums of mid is less than target, and target is less than equal to nums right, we'll have left equal mid plus 1, because it's on the right side versus left. Mid plus 1, else right equals mid minus 1. And if I mix it through all this, it's not there. Return minus 1. So doing this just cuts the array in half each time, and that'll be log in time. Left and right are 4 and 2. And then whatever the mid is, 4 and 7. The target is 0. We search the second half, where we'd probably bring the left to 7, and then the mid is whatever 1, and so forth. And then it'll be 0 in like within 2 or 3 searches or run-throughs of this while loop, as the left and right moves in by half each time. Alright. And then we can do the same in Python. So we have a left and a right equal to 0 and len nums minus 1, while left less than equal to right, mid equals left plus right, and then floor division in Python, very convenient. If nums mid equals target, return mid. If nums left less than equal to nums mid, if nums left less than equal to target, and target less than nums mid, then right equals mid minus 1, bring in the right, otherwise move the left up, mid plus 1, else if nums mid less than target and target less than equal to nums right, left equals mid plus 1, else right equals mid minus 1, otherwise return not found minus 1. And boom. Search and rotated sorted array.